here comes O. Round and round it loves to go. O is for orange, so juicy and sweet. O is for ostrich with fast running feet. O, 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 the letter O. Shapes like a circle, don't you know? Sing it loud, let's have some fun. The letter O is number one. O is for octopus, under the sea. O is for owl, in the old oak tree. O is for oven, baking treats so fine. O is for olive, from the tree it shines. O, 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 the letter O. Shapes like a circle, don't you know? Sing it loud, let's have some fun. The letter O is number one. Open your mouth, sing out ooh. Can you spot O? It's right in the zoo. Look around, O's everywhere. In the ocean, in the air. Oh, 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 the letter O. Shapes like a circle, don't you know? Sing it loud, let's have some fun. The letter O is number one. Oh, 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 the letter O. We've learned so much, now let's all go. Keep on searching.